This chapter is on the chi-square distribution. So it's spelt chi square. The symbol looks very similar to an x squared, and it's pronounced chi, which rhymes with pi. So if a random variable x has a normal distribution, then the chi-square distribution follows this formula. The chi-square distribution has the following properties. All of the values of chi-square are greater than or equal to 0. The total area under the curve is equal to 1. The chi-square distribution is not symmetric, and it is skewed to the right. The mean of the chi-square distribution is to the right of the peak. And similar to the t-distribution, the chi-square distribution is actually a family of curves where the degrees of freedom determine the shape of the curve. And as the degrees of freedom increase, the chi-square distribution approaches the normal distribution. Now, all of the chi-square tests that we will be looking at in this chapter are right-tailed tests. So we don't have to worry about two-tailed or left-tailed tests. And this is the table for the chi-squared critical values. Number 1 says, find the critical value for alpha equal to 0.05 and 11 degrees of freedom. So that would be right here. So 19.675. Number 2 says, what is the area to the right of the critical value 13.277 under a chi-square distribution with 4 degrees of freedom? So essentially what they're asking is, what is alpha? So the critical value of 13.277 is right here, and that corresponds to an alpha of 0.01. So the area is 0.01.